cleaning gloves can aid in messy tasks and ease the frustration of your cleaning hours. We've researched over 20 of the best models available today before purchasing the 11 you'll find in our fleet. With many options available, it takes some research and time to find the right glove. Each model was used to perform various tasks and rated based on functionality, design flaws, and overall user experience. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen Ever-Present Top 5 Best Cleaning Gloves. Let's get started. Number 5. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves. If you are searching for cleaning gloves, the Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves review on our list is ideal for you. The Elgood Long Cuff Reusable Gloves are impressive in both length and quality of design. The design was thought through well, solving typical flaws such as sweaty hands and addressing wish list items such as sleeve length. The extra long sleeves are a feature that we searched for and finally found in this glove. The sleeves are secured on your arm with comfortable elastic bands, which easily stretch to pull over even a heavy sweater. The glove is designed to fit the hand well, and we had no problems with them slipping around, which also helps when gripping objects. The soft lining provides additional comfort and keeps hands from getting too sweaty. The material is thick enough to protect from sharp objects and hot water as well. A minute shortcoming with the Elgood is if you want to slip them on and off quickly, these take more effort to pull on quickly due to the long sleeves and elastic band. This small hindrance means the effort can outweigh the benefits if you're not using the gloves for an extended period of time. Number 4. Pacific PPE Reusable Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves. The Pacific PPE latex-free gloves have a similar design to a few others tested and features that make this glove comfortable and pleasant to wear. The glove design fits the hand well, keeps the fingers in place, and slips easily on and off for quick tasks. The thicker material helps avoid easy punctures and comfortably protects from scalding hot water while maintaining flexibility so that the hand can still move easily. The lining is soft and adds to the comfort of wearing these gloves and keeping hands from sweating. Patterns on the exterior of the fingers help to grip objects, while the fabric has a rubbery feel that helps to give a sticky response when holding objects. The opportunities for these gloves revolve around the sleeves. The length of the sleeves is fairly average and doesn't protect from splashes well. The gloves are also missing a cuff or feature to keep water from dripping down the arms. Though they are designed well, they may not be the best option for messy and involved cleaning tasks. Number 3. Casabella Premium Waterblock Reusable. The Casabella Premium Waterblock cleaning gloves are stylish and well-fitted. They have nice design choices, starting with a cuff feature, which keeps water from draining down the arm. The double cuff gives length options, and even when not folded down, it has a lip on the end of the sleeve to help with water drippage. The gloves are aesthetically designed with fitted wrists and fingers, allowing them to fit snugly and avoid gaping or adjusting issues. The material is substantially thick but stretches nicely, allowing them to remain comfortable. The inside has a light lining, adding comfort and helping the gloves easily slide on and off. Although well-fitted, we discovered the cuffs are a bit heavy and can potentially slide down to the wrist during continuous scrubbing. Despite being a bit annoying, this didn't occur enough during testing to be a major concern. The only other notable flaw is that the glove's exterior is softer and somewhat more slippery, which is important if you're looking for a better grip. Number 2. Go Reusable Household Gloves. The Go Reusable Household Gloves 10 pairs is a standard 10-pack of yellow gloves. The Go appears as your typical cleaning glove with few flashy features, yet it surprised us. We expected thin, sticky material, but instead found substantial, extra thick material with a soft finish. The insides of the gloves are smooth, and they easily slide on and off the hands. Another nice design feature is the small lip on the sleeve, which helps keep water from dripping down your arm. This is great for kitchen chores and other tasks. They are breathable and don't get sweaty easily, even while using steaming hot water. They fit the shape of the hand well and have a comfortable elasticity to them, which we appreciate when switching between and handling more intricate cleaning tasks. One primary downside to the Go is that the sleeve length is on the shorter end. If you're looking for a glove to protect you from dirty tasks, this is something to consider. Number 1. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves. The Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Gloves are an excellent latex-free pair of gloves, thanks to their comfort and fit. Made with a soft lining inside, they were comfortable to wear for extended periods, doing both around the home cleaning tasks and hefty dishwashing sessions. A notable feature is the non-slip design that includes small, gripping pieces of the fabric on the insides of the fingers. This feature works exceptionally well, as the Elgood Reusable stays in place and fits better than many in our fleet. The outside has a mat-like material that helps when gripping slippery objects. One downside to the Elgood is no lip or cuff feature to keep water from draining down the arm. Depending on how meticulous of a cleaner you are, this may or may not be a negative point. Feeling some stickiness on the inside also seems to take away from the comfort, as this feels a bit awkward at first and is something to note. These gloves are very comfortable, fit to the hand well, and are an excellent latex-free option.